I'm Graham Swain. I'm with Melanie Land. What sort of cases do you deal with?
I can deal with anything from a road traffic accident to a catastrophic injury.
And by catastrophic injury, what do you mean?
Catastrophic injury is something that affects every element of your life. So the injury will be extremely serious, such as paraplegia or something similar to that, and it's going to prevent you from doing everything that you would normally do.
How do you cope with all the medical jargon?
23 years of experience in this job, so medical jargon isn't really jargon to me anymore. I'm able to understand it and explain it to the clients, and of course when we get medical reports in, I will do everything I can to sit down with a client, make sure that they understand it and are able to interpret it. I think it's really important to have a good working knowledge of medical conditions because from that you can work out which experts best to approach so that you are maximising your client's chances of receiving a good level of damages.
And do you deal with less severe injuries as well?
Everything in between, from the road traffic accident to the catastrophic injury. No case really is too small. We will look at it and we will assess it and provide you with an estimate of the valuation more or less straight away. If they telephone me and they ask for advice on the telephone, then I'll be able to analyse it and risk assess it with them on the telephone. Quite often people prefer you to speak to them face to face. They want to come in and see me. I'm quite happy for that. I can assess and risk assess the case, provide the advice and get somebody signed onto the paperwork straight away. I would always say to a client, I'm very transparent, you can shop around, but you're not going to find a service that's as good as we provide here. We provide simple, direct advice, and that's what clients want. What you see is what you get. We tell you, we do it, we succeed.
What happens about paying for cases?
Well, it depends whether or not we win or we lose. Obviously, we do everything we can to make sure that we win, and if we win, legal fees are paid by the other side. It can take anything from 6 months to 3 years, or if it's a catastrophic injury case, it may take a lot longer than that. But obviously, we always strive to get things done as quickly as possible because we're aware that it's just an added stress for our clients.
And what do you think makes a good personal injury lawyer?
A good lawyer needs to have good capability to deal with anybody from all walks of life. We need to be able to talk to people, we need to be able to understand them and to empathise with them. We need to be prepared to go toe to toe with defendants and fight for our client's case so that we win.
And what about other members of the team?
We have other associates within the firm that work on personal injury, and we also have a team of trainee solicitors who work with us. They do a lot of the investigation work under close supervision from more senior members of staff, and we pass our knowledge on.